break someone's heart. Hearing the news broke her heart. Follow one's heart. Despite the risks, she decided to follow her heart and pursue her dreams. Lift someone's heart. The surprise gift lifted her heart and brightened her day. Touch someone's heart. The heartfelt story touches heart deeply. Steal someone's heart. The puppy stole my heart the moment I saw it. Lose one's heart to. She lost her heart to the charming city of Paris. A broken heart. She walked away from the relationship with a broken heart, struggling to find her way back to happiness. A heavy heart. With a heavy heart, he announced his resignation. A light heart. Sarah finished her exams with a light heart, eager for summer. A kind heart. Her kind heart made her beloved in the community, always ready to lend a hand without expecting anything in return. A cold heart. A hard heart. He made his decision with a cold heart, showing no remorse for the consequences on others. A heart of gold. Everyone admires Lisa for her heart of gold, always ready to lend a hand with a smile. A heart of stone. Her heart of stone made her seem indifferent to others' pain. Speak from the heart. The best songs are those where the lyrics speak from the heart and connect with listeners on a deep level. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your unwavering support during tough times.